Long as he get it done, man. You know, I'm not in a rush. I'm getting this done for my 50th birthday. I don't look 50. 50, I'll be 50. Yeah, this is my 50th birthday project. You know, Pisces. You know, I'm a Pisces. 26 Forgiatos on here. You know what I'm saying? You know, 50-year-old, 50th. White horse, that's what it's gonna be called. But I'm just chopping it up with y'all, you know, letting y'all see my little project. What he do? Do he work? Yeah. I fix cars up and sell them. I cut lawn care, I got every business. Man, I do everything. Buy cars from the auction, fix them up, sell them. When I get through with this motherfucker, I'm gonna get like 12. Got 130,000 miles on it. So, try to go buy this car. Right now with the finance, you're gonna be out about 18,000. But I ain't paying that much. This is my 50th birthday project. I even bust out my Swaggertron on y'all just to come check on my car. See that, my Swaggertron? Oh, I'll sell it to you. 500, 400, no gas. That's a great car. You see what he working on there? That's my homie shit right there. Yeah. Get the toe down. Chevy boy. I'm out of here. Peace, man. I had to come and check on my car, man.